If you have great plans to market your business and if you think you don't have a budget for the same, think again. In today's advanced technology and social media world, you can reach out to your target audience with not even a budget. The World Wide Web has completely changed the sales. The concept of selling by companies both large and small have changed with the advent of the World Wide Web. One of the best places to start is on social media. Creating an account is free for businesses on most platforms and it doesn't take an expert to get started. To create a business account on Facebook, you will first need to set up a personal profile if you haven't already. Then you will need to create a subsequent page that will be your business page. Facebook does offer a business account feature. However, many say that it doesn't allow you to customize as well as creating a separate page from your own account. Don't be concerned about linking your personal account to your business page. Everything will be separate from your personal Facebook account. You can assign administrators if you are not the only person who is working on the company page. Admins can control the content and delete posts if needed. This is the best thing that you can do on your company's Facebook page. Add the contact information, links to your website, and plenty of details in the About Me section. You also need to post often and interact with those who leave comments on your posts. This will help you learn more about your target audience and what they want from your brand. Businesses can also benefit from Twitter. While there may be limits to the amount of characters you can use in a single tweet, you can also add a link to your website or a company blog. Having a detailed Twitter profile that includes your website URL is another way to help your brand gain more exposure. Twitter can help you to increase brand awareness, keep your customers informed on new products and services, and allow you to receive instant feedback from your followers about your company. The best part is that it's a free way to help boost your website's SEO. Apart from Facebook and Twitter, you can also use Google Plus to grow your business. It can also improve your brand's online reputation by helping to improve your SEO. It can help make Google smarter and more aware of your brand by adding your website to its search recommendations. This can help members of your target audience learn more about your company and potentially increase your profits. You can also advertise with YouTube. Have you ever had a great idea for commercials but aren't sure if you can afford to have it broadcast on TV? YouTube advertises pay-per-view of their ads, and the average cost for each viewing ranges between 10 cents to 30 cents. You may also want to create a YouTube channel for your business where you can upload videos highlighting upcoming products. You will need a lot of YouTube views for your ads to pay off. But even if your ad gets 500 views on YouTube, you're still only paying out $150 at the most. And you can send your ad out to millions of viewers all over the world. This can be especially helpful for online business owners. Apart from all the online, the additional low-cost ways to promote your business offline. You could hold a customer appreciation day and give out items such as pens, notepads, hats with your company's logos on them. You can find multiple online companies that manufacture personalized products and they aren't as expensive as you think. You may also want to hand out samples of your products which can help you to draw customers into your store. These are the free small budget ideas that you can implement apart from online. So thank you for watching, and this is our contact details. If you are looking to grow your business, get more customers, if you want to outsource your digital marketing activities, reach out to us on this number. And do come back next week. We keep posting very helpful videos for you. Hit that subscribe button below and also hit that bell icon where you get notification whenever we post the videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Keep sharing. If you are on Facebook, like our page and keep sharing and commenting on this video. Thank you.